This video provides overview of automating order and opportunity creation with or without quote using our AppExchange app. Let's check order automation process using our app. In sales process, usually first step is to create new opportunity and add opportunity products or line items. Assuming Salesforce quote feature is not used. Once order is confirmed, opportunity stage is changed to closed one. Order will be created along with order line items with field values copied from opportunity and opportunity products based on the defined field mappings. Based on the business requirement, order may be activated and optionally, PDF can also be generated automatically using our other app PDF generator. If you are using quote, once order is confirmed, quote status becomes approved, and order is created along with order line items. This is how order creation can be automated from opportunity or quote using this app. As this process uses all standard Salesforce objects, customizations and integrations are fully supported. Let's check this process in Salesforce. Let's say this opportunity has these opportunity products, and is in proposal stage. As soon as stage is changed to closed one, and it is saved, an order will be automatically created with standard field values copied from this opportunity. Let's check order details. Order number is auto-generated, because it's auto number field. By default, order name is same as opportunity name. Account is mapped from opportunity. Opportunity is selected by default. Quote field is blank, because this order is created from opportunity. Default currency is set as per opportunity currency. This is standard roll-up field. By default order is created in draft status. This will be filled when order is activated. Start date is set as order creation date. Order end date is mapped to opportunity close date. Renewal start date is calculated by deducting renewal notice period from order end date. These are custom fields, provided as part of this app, which are used to trigger renewal process, and we will discuss about it in more detail later in this video. This field is used by automation code to create order products and can be hidden from the page layout. Order line items are also created automatically based on field mappings with opportunity product. Product is selected by default. Line item description is copied, if filled in the opportunity product. Quantity and unit price values are copied as well. For defining these default field mappings, we take advantage of custom metadata types feature which can be accessed from setup. These processes like order creation from opportunity, or order line item creation from opportunity products which we just discussed, are defined as rules. Click on Manage Records. This rule is used to trigger order creation from opportunity. This rule is used to trigger order line items creation from opportunity product. By default, order creation is triggered when opportunity stage is changed to closed one, as we did in previous example. If you wanted to change the trigger criteria for order creation, you can edit this rule. Any standard or custom field can be chosen as stage and value can be specified for that field. Next configuration is field mapping, and you can check the field mappings related to this rule by clicking on the rule name. These are default field mappings or default values. Each field configuration name should be unique. User-friendly label needs to be provided. Source object and source field need to be selected as source to copy the value from. Target object and target field need to be selected as target to copy the value to. Value defines the value to be set in target field. Return type is the type of value being set to target field. Only active mappings are considered. Let's check the default mappings. This mapping is for creating order products from opportunity products when order is created. Source object and field in this case are blank, because this is a checkbox on order, and no mapping is needed from opportunity. When order is created, this field will be checked, due to value selected as true, which will trigger the order product creation. Return type is selected as Boolean, because it's checkbox. You can also disable order product creation when order is created, if this value is changed to false, so that this checkbox is unchecked when order gets created. This mapping is to have order price book same as opportunity price book. Source object is selected as opportunity and source field is selected as price book ID. Target object is selected as order, and target field as price book ID. In this case, value is set as reference, because it's a field mapping. Return value is selected as string because Salesforce ID fields are alphanumeric fields. Similarly, mapping is defined to have same account selected in the newly created order. This is similar to first mapping we discussed, and default order effective date needs to be set when order is created. In this case, source fields are blank, and order start date value is set to today function, which will populate the date when order is created. Return type has been selected as date because target field is date type field. Please ignore the deprecated mappings. By default, order status is draft, which can be changed through this mapping. Similarly, field mappings between order products and opportunity products can be viewed using this rule. These are the default mappings. Please note, quantity and sales price return type is selected as decimal, which is applicable for number and currency fields. Similar to these default field mappings, we can create mappings for any other fields as well. Let's say for this opportunity, we have a custom picklist field for term with these values. In the order object as well, we have a custom picklist field for term with same values. For creating mapping for this field, access custom metadata from setup. Click on Manage Records for field config. These are all default configurations, which we discussed earlier, and are shown under Rules. Click on New button to create new configuration for the custom field. Provide a label for this config which is easy to understand. Choose a rule. We need to select this rule as we need to copy field value from opportunity to order. Select source object as opportunity, and source field as term. Select target object as order, and target field as term. As this is field mapping, we need to type value as reference. Keep string as return type, because picklist values are considered a string. Duration fields are used only if target field is a date type field and we need to add additional days, month or year for this field. This is the API name for this configuration, which has to be unique. Let's create this configuration. After this configuration is created, let's check order creation process again. This opportunity is in proposal stage, and term has been selected. Let's change the status to closed one. Let's check order details. Due to the field mapping configuration we just created, field value has been copied to the order. Similarly, let's say term field exists on the opportunity product, which is of type number, and needs to be copied to order product. We need to create a field configuration, like what we did for opportunity. This time, we need to select rule related to order product creation from opportunity product. Select opportunity product as source object, and term as field. Order product will be target object, and term as field. Value as reference, and return type as decimal, as it's a number field. It will have unique API name. After creating this mapping, you can test order creation like we did earlier. Orders can also be generated from quote automatically. Let's check the applicable rules. By default, order is created from quote when quote status is changed to approved. This criteria can be changed by editing this rule. It will also trigger order product creation from quote line items. Let's check default field configurations for these rules. These are the default field configurations and mappings for order. These are the default field mappings for quote line item and order products. Let's say, this quote is in draft status, and having these line items. Based on the rule criteria, when quote status is changed to approved, order will automatically be created. Order is created in draft status, and quote which created this order is also populated this time. Order products are also created. Mappings for fields not present in default configuration can be created using same process as described for opportunity. If you want to keep this application but don't want order to be created from opportunity or quote, you can deactivate these rules. Apart from automating order creation, another prominent feature of this app is to automate opportunity and quote creation from order, for renewals. There is a custom field provided on order to set renewal date, and based on that, an automated job will run, and assuming opportunity creation rule configuration is active, it will create a new opportunity by cloning the opportunity associated with this order. It will also create opportunity products, by copying values from order products. Please note, only products having type as recurring are created. Custom type field to specify recurring or one-time has been provided on standard product object as part of this app. If quote creation rule is also active, it will create quote under this opportunity, with quote line items. Optionally, PDF can be generated on opportunity or quote creation, and users can be notified using PDF rules feature of our other application PDF generator. Let's see how this process works, and let's consider this order as an example. This is a custom picklist field, provided as part of the app to define renewal notice period with default as 30 days, which can be changed in the picklist as well. Renewal date is calculated by deducting this renewal notice period from order end date. This is also a custom field provided as part of this app. On this order, this is the associated opportunity. Let's check the account associated to this order. This is the only opportunity under this account, having stage as closed one. On the order, when the date reaches to this date, automated job will be invoked and new opportunity along with quote will be created. We can test this process real-time using this checkbox to ensure that everything works as expected when automated job runs. Let's check the associated account. As you can see, new opportunity has been created in proposal stage. Also, opportunity products have been created based on order products. It has also created quote under this opportunity in draft status, and quote line items have been created based on opportunity products. Let's check the custom metadata rules and field configs for this process. This is the rule which is used to create opportunity from order, and this is the default condition to trigger opportunity creation, when renewal start date on order is equal to today's date. This can be changed to any field and matching field value. If you don't want opportunity to be created from order automatically, you can deactivate this rule. Opportunity products are created along with opportunity, using this rule. Let's check the default field mappings. These are the default field mappings for new opportunity. Please note that, in this case, order is selected as source object and opportunity is selected as target object. Default stage for newly created opportunity is proposal price quote, which can be changed from this mapping. These are the default field configurations for opportunity products, and in this case, source object is order product. As seen in the example, quote is also created under opportunity automatically using this rule. As discussed earlier, default stage of opportunity is set to this stage when created from order. It will create quote as soon as opportunity is created from order. This trigger criteria can be changed as well. If you don't want quote to be automatically created from opportunity, deactivate this rule. Quote line items are also created based on this rule. Let's check the default field configurations for quote. Please note that, in this case, opportunity is selected as source object because fields are mapped between opportunity and quote. Default status of the quote is set to draft, which can be changed. Let's check quote line items default field configurations. In this case, source object is opportunity product. Optionally, using our other app Exchange app PDF generator, PDFs can be generated automatically and emailed when order is created from opportunity or quote, and vice versa. PDFs can be generated automatically, using PDF rules feature of PDF generator app. You can define rules for these objects, and select the relevant templates. When a new record is created for these objects, and these rules match, PDF will be generated automatically. PDFs can be automatically emailed as attachment to recipients as well, if email template is specified in the rule. Please check PDF generator tutorials for more details.
We offer free 15 days full feature trial. Visit our website for detailed documentation, pricing, or contact our support for any queries.